નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here.
Dear school friends, let's move ahead in lesson number 5, the tiger's claw. We'll move here ahead with the first part. What is there? The lesson starts with I. In the starting of the lesson only I is written. Who writes I? The writer himself. It means what we are going to have here, that is a personal life incident of the writer. What here the writer says, that is not the incident of others' life, but this is the incident of his own life. And so that personal experience we can find out there, or that is the best example for autobiographical elements. What he writes here, I opened my eyes. As in when I opened my eyes at the time, tiger was in front of me. Yeah. Tiger was in front of me. How tiger was? Tiger is pushing himself in. Tiger is pushing himself in means what? Tiger is coming inside. From where? From the door. And I observed it, I saw it. Sometimes we are in the heaven, sometimes we are with this and that. Everything is possible in dream. Fact is different, fiction is different. We'll feel it. It's a fiction or it's a dream. It's a fact or fiction. We have to judge it, we have to check it. With this checking and with this judgment we will move ahead. The time is what? The sky is shining with starlit. Sky is starlit. It's not of daytime. And in this condition, I am in a dreamy condition or I am facing the fact. That's the main question for the writer. It may be a fact, may be a fiction, maybe dream. It's a dream or reality? That's a question. He thought that my friend station master is roaming here and then. I would have observed him, and I thought that he is not he, but he is a tiger. Maybe possible. Maybe possible. Hence it is proved that it's not a fact, it's a fiction, it's not reality, it's a dream. But later on, you observe the same tiger. So that it's written here. I saw him. When I saw him, in the starlit sky. Sky is shining with the starlight. With wagging the tail. Wagging with the tail. Growling. Sound will be there. Onomatopoeia. Go a little back for onomatopoeia. Growling is there. Staring, gazing towards me. With terrible eyes reason, with terrible eyes, with his reason. Why terrible eyes? Because in night time the shining of the eyes were so bright. And so that throughout the world, tiger's eyes can be identified even at night also. This is the magic of Almighty. This is not our magic. In this condition, I observe the tiger. Hence it is proved. Tiger is in front of me. And I can be in the risk. Because tiger is there. Tiger is pushing himself in. Pushing in means coming in. From where? From the door. Initially he thought, writer, Mare Rosa. You see, this is our mentality. When this is the matter of others, we will think for this is the matter of fertilizer company. Why should I think for it? यहाँ કેટલા બધા માણસો કામ કરે છે એકાદાને ઉપાડીને લઈ જાય તો હું કરું એમાં હું કરું. The same thing is written here. This was the risk for the fertilizer company, not for me. Let me sleep. Ken? Tiger was in front of me and tiger was thinking, fantastic food is there in front of me. Best one food is there in front of me. This was the setting. This was the initial phase of this lesson. What the writer wrote in the tiger's claw. Part 1. Then afterwards, he thought in his mind. What he thought in his mind? Generally, in the circus, there will be a ring, and in ring, one fellow would be there, and that fellow would be with his simple table. And પછી ટાઈગર ને કહેવાનું ચાલ ટેબલ ઉપર બેસ. He would be alone, tiger would be alone, a ring would be there, and yet there will not be anything else, simply a table. He thought one thing. When we are in crisis, at the time Almighty sends good thoughts, good vision, good ideas, strategies in our mind. Why? To save us. And for that purpose only, Almighty sent good views, good ideas in his mind with the vision of circus. Circus માં શું હોય? રિંગ હોય. રિંગ ની અંદર ઓલો એક માણસ જાય એની વાય શું હોય? એમાં એક ટેબલ હોય, બીજું કાંઈ ન હોય. શું હોય? બીજું કાંઈ ના થાય, એમાં બીજું શું હોય? It means, hence it is proved that wild animals have fear more and more from the objects, not from the human beings. Hence it is proved. અહીંથી એક વસ્તુ તો સાબિત થઈ ગઈ ને કે વાઇલ્ડ એનિમલ્સ જે છે એને આવી બધી વસ્તુઓનો ભય હોય છે. ટેબલ હોય, ચેર હોય, માણસનો ભય ન હોય. આ વિચાર ક્યાંથી આવ્યો? God sent this view in my mind. In critical situation, in crisis, to save ourselves. તો મારે શું કરવું જોઈએ? The same thing what here situation is created in circus. The same thing I can create here. મેં શું કર્યું? The same thing writer did. He adjusted a chair. He adjusted a table. And both of them he adjusted in a right angle corner of the room so that his back can be near the wall and he can be protected with both the walls with table and chair here for another two corners. He did it in front of the tiger, slowly, slowly, slowly. And tiger was very happy that my food is fantastic food is in front of me and I will enjoy it lazily. शांति मस्त मस्त फूड मर्जू से खाई. And he was trying his level best to save himself. Somehow he arranged table and chair as his protection, as his own protection wall in his room. In his premises. हमें खबर पड़ी गई. विश्वास करवा जेवुं નથી ભાઈ. નિંદર નથી. It's a fact. હામો જ બેઠો છે. હવે એણે કરવાનું છે. મારે કાંઈ નથી કરવાનું. But somehow I should try my level best to save myself. How can I save myself? That is important. And for that, what he does, what he did, how he managed everything, that we will come to know a little later. I'll keep myself aloof from the screen. If you want to write down anything else, you can write down from the board. Same thing, which can be helpful to you. To write question answer.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.